Good morning, guys. How's it going? Welcome to Trade Confident. I hope you guys had a very good Christmas. Man, things are getting crazy over here. I want to just personally congratulate everybody that we finally hit our goal. I don't know how else to say it, but it's just been so exciting to work with you guys. We officially hit 100 for 100 wins on this channel. There is document proof of all this on YouTube as well as on the Telegram channel. Obviously, those of you guys who are over here have been able to see me call this all out, even on the weekends where we don't do videos and such like that. But we officially hit 100 for 100 wins since March is when we started this year, and we averaged the average was between 10 to 15%. Now, we're not going to stop at all, guys. We actually have some trades here that are about to be in the profit that we're going to, be winning even this week if we can keep heading up here. But in the second half of this video, I'll show you guys exactly how to get into our channel as we move into the end of this, month here in December and then going into 2022, where our next goal is just going to be 200 for 200 wins. The account is doing very well this morning. Actually, I haven't looked at it, but I think we're doing all right. Yes, 7,000. That's actually a lot better than I thought we were doing. So, I would say Thursday of last week, we were just breaking even at, about 100,000. So we're up here about $7,000 within the last, it's 2-3 days. Okay. Doing very well, but I'm going to show you guys some signs where I want us to just be cautious about, not getting too greedy in the market. Real quick, guys, I'm not going to do an ADA video today. I'll do it tomorrow. But look at how much we have made back on ADA already, because I was in this trade with you guys. We were down here at the bottom of 37%. 37, and we've made all the way back now about 17%. That is 20% we have made back by just being patient. Look at Solana real quick. I'm going to do a video maybe tomorrow on Solana. We were all the way down here at 26% in the loss. We are about to take some profit on Solana here by just being patient. It is ridiculous, the coins that have come back here in this market. All right, let's dive in here. I want you guys to be paying attention to the trend exhaustion, the price per swell money flow, and the trend dashboard, the trend exhaustion and price per swell money flow. Real quickly, guys, I'm changing the sale date on the indicators of when they end. It's just getting, I was going to say New Year's, but I didn't realize that actually falls over on the weekend. Here's the deal, guys. I'm ending the sale this Friday. So you guys have 5 days left to get the indicators, and all the prices are going to be going up, okay? Just want to make that clear. Do not miss it. You have 5 days left, okay? We're looking at the trend exhaustion here, and all of the retail indicators are pointing and showing us that they're going long because they're trading with what? They're trading with momentum, and they're trading with the trend. Okay, that's not a bad thing, but what we like to look for is while all the retail traders are getting very bullish in here, we want to look to take some profit in the market because that's where the Wells institutions can go short, because all the buying power creates great opportunity for short power to come into the market from the institutions. And I'll show that to you guys. I've proven it to you many times. It's actually how we win almost all of our trades is by trading against the retail traders, okay? So looking at this, the price per swell money flow does have a form, possible form of divergence. We're getting there, but not quite yet. Here's the high right here, and I'm looking for just any type of move above this high here. We are seeing that the well money flow is kind of in a downward trend here. So money is looking still moving out of the market, which is why we're heading lower here. So if we see it move back up here, I want you guys to watch for that. Now, the trend exhaustion is absolutely in the top red section. Now, what happens when you get into the top red section with this indicator? It is the most accurate indicator. These two right here are the most accurate ones to call drops in crypto, period. I've done this, many times with you guys. I'm confident now we do have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. When this pushes in the top red section, we are able to call exits in the profit before the price drops. That is aiding to the win rate. Because if you guys don't have a good exit strategy, then you can be holding too long and the price can come back down on you and you're just going to lose your trades. The reason why we're able to execute, here's the thing, guys. Yes, we have a super high win rate and we've never lost a trade, but it's not just about the win rate. It's about the frequency. Since March, we have actually won 100 trades. That's a ridiculous amount of frequency when it comes to winning trades. And if you look into that more and you think about it, it's because of where the buy limits are set. And I'll show that to you guys. It's also how we're able to exit in the profit, grab those profits here. Look at this. We're grabbing 10.78% up here, 16.16% we grabbed yesterday on these trades, guys. Mana, we grabbed 10.86%. I was in that trade. We're grabbing these trades in and out so fast that it's like scalping for 10%. That's the ridiculous part. People love scalping for 1% to 2%. We're not scalping, but we're the frequency of trades that we win so much is between 10 to 15%. That's why a lot of people trade with us when we've broken 4,000 members over here in the Telegram channel, is because we're able to get in and out of the markets very quickly. Well, how? You've got to be able to time the tops and get in and out of the market, because here's what we're doing in here. I'll give just like a little example. When this pushes in the top red section and this is dropping the price down here, like this is amazing how accurate this is. Like the price is literally not going up anymore from here. It's like, well, why didn't Bitcoin go up to, let's say 55,000? Like that would be a quarters theory level. We broke 50,000. No, the trend exhaustion literally stopped the price over here and we started to move back down. All right. Once you exit up here, let's say you're in a trade down here and then you exit, what you can do is you can enter back in at lower prices. That's exactly what we do. And then we exit when we move up here, and then the price goes down. And then we exit when we get back up here. You see how many more trades you can actually take with these indicators and the compound interest effect? That's where the money gets ridiculous. And that's why we haven't done anything this weekend. Literally just we enjoyed our family, and we're up about 6%, 7% in the account right now. So $7,000 we've made in the last 3 days, and we're just using buy limits and letting the market come back to us and watching these. But with that said, bringing this all home right now, I want you guys to be watching for a possible backdrop in Bitcoin back to this level down here. And this is the strongest level I can find, is around $48,000. Now, if it keeps going up, we're going to be looking at about 53. Okay, let's go over the metrics real quick, and then I'll get you guys into the next trade setups and show you what I'm looking at as far as those. All right, super excited to move into 2022 with you guys. All right, we are definitely in the excited area, but guys, look at this here. Look at the top of Bitcoin. Look at where we've come. Guys, there is going to be a time where Bitcoin breaks an all-time high again. Absolutely. I'm convinced of that. I hope you are too. If you don't, then you probably just think it's all going to crash. But I do believe we're going to hit an all-time high, and it could happen within the next quarter of 2021. The first quarter of 2022 is what I'm starting to see some people predict now. Getting very bullish on crypto. Guys, if this happens, our account's going to go ridiculous, your account's going to get ridiculous, and the altcoins are going to explode. But I want you to watch something here. We are sitting in the excited section. When this gets up into the excited and the greedy section, you guys need to be watching for drops back down on the market, because this is where the institutions like to sell, and I'll show that to you guys. Looking at blockchain metrics here for long and short trades in the market. We are seeing that long trades have been steadily increasing, which has been very bullish for us, and short trades have actually been moving out of the market. This is a bullish sign. That's why crypto keeps heading up. Once we start seeing short trades move into the market here, that is going to put pressure. So those of you guys in long trades, you guys are watching this, and this is your number one question. How long is this momentum going to last? How much further up is Bitcoin going to go? Well, take a look and watch this metric right here. You guys need to be watching these two down here. This is so important that you guys watch these two, and that's why I'm drawing your attention right here today. If you guys are going to look at anything, you need to watch this and you need to watch this. This has called the drops on crypto so many times. So I am looking for a drop back down, guys, okay? Don't get too greedy. Take some profits. I'm going to be looking to take profits on some of these coins, all right, if we head up any further. Watch that in the market. If short trades increase, we will be seeing a move back down. It's just what happens in the market, okay? You can't have a market continuing up with short trades increasing, and even if long trades move out, that will shift momentum and you will see a drop, okay? Looking at long versus short trade risk, well, where does the favor lie? We're kind of sitting in this neutral section right now. So the best thing to do is set up buy limits with me here in about, give me 30 seconds here, and I'll set them up with you guys, and I'll show you how to do that on Bitcoin. You guys can use that for any of the coins. Watch this with me real quick. If you guys come up here and you look at what's happening here when we push into this excited area, we know we were neutral when we pushed up into excited a little bit here. What we're seeing is that wells and institutions are coming out here and they're looking for short trades. Well, what happened when this price went up here? A lot of people are getting excited. What happened? The metric value for shorts in here increased drastically. Well, what happened with the price? It did not go up any further. Sorry, let me get back to here. It did not go up any further. It literally stopped right here, and we started to see a move back down. When you start seeing this metric over here show us that short trades are in favor and wells institutions are taking short trades, you're going to see a drop in price. Exactly why everyone was FOMOing over here thinking Bitcoin was going to go to the moon when you're sitting at the price of here about $67,000, even on top of that. Look at the amount of short trades that come out in the market for institutions. They crash this thing. There's no way this thing's going to keep heading up when you guys see metrics like this. If big money's not following your trade, then you need to get out of your trade. That's why we exited our long trades up here, and we took, I remember telling you guys this, we took over 17 wins in a row just with this one little pump up here. It's been crazy. We've taken a I would say about 13 or 14 wins in the bear market cycle here, and we've been doing very great. And obviously, we hit a 100 for 100 last night actually on Mana. So watch this. If we start moving back up here, we could see short trades increase here, looking for that move back down. So I want you guys to watch that today. So something to be watching. I do think there is a dip that's going to be due here pretty soon, and I think a lot of people are in this market. Let me move this over here because I keep clicking it on accident. I think a lot of people are thinking, okay, Bitcoin's just going to keep going and keep going. No. You guys need to be aware that if it starts going back up here, the next resistance, let's move into that right now. The greatest resistance I've seen is right around this $53,000 level, which is around this level right here. Okay, this is 53,000. It's the strongest level of resistance. We are not far away. Guys, this also correlates to the ascending resistance up here. So let me give some reference very fast. You guys take a look at the one touch down here. Here's a one touch. I'm going to call this a two touch. I know there's multiple, and then we're looking for the third one here. Although it is broken, it still is respected. So here is the area we need to be watching this week for Bitcoin, which I'm watching too. If we get anywhere close to this area of 53,000, right around that area, I'm going to be looking to call exits on anything that's in the profit. Absolutely calling exits, because that's where I think we're going to get in between this pressure zone right here, where we're getting up to resistance on an ascending resistance as well as a resistance structured resistance, okay? Structured support and now a future resistance, looking for that move back down. That would be a great place to get a high and a higher low formation. So watch 53,000 very closely this week, okay? Looking at dollar cost average hold. Do you guys who have like $10,000 want to throw $1,000 in the market every time you get a green line? Awesome. You guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Hold this for a long term and you're going to do well. Dollar cost averaging down. Exit points. This came out and showed us an exit, guys. Very interesting. This was calling the top up here. This called the top and we saw this move back down. So if you guys are watching that, you guys can know now that, hey, next time we start moving back up here might be something you guys want to watch when this next red bar comes out to maybe see a move back down. All right, taking a look at this, we are currently in a golden cross where the 50 is above the 200-day moving average, but it's kind of funny. We're actually like more bearish here, and we're actually more, this is like I don't know what to make of this. Anyways, guys, the majority of time that we were in a death cross of the 50 moving average below the 200, which is a death cross formation, we actually went up more time, and now we're getting to the point where we've actually headed down further in a golden cross than a death cross. It's kind of weird. Anyways, I put that on there because a lot of people wanted that. Let me get you guys into the next trade so you can trade with us. Here's why you guys are really watching this channel: to make money, because we're not losing trades. We are currently the membership is $49 a month. That's it. I am going to be upping the price of this in this next year. I want to make that very clear to you guys. We are going to grandfather everybody in who gets in our membership at $49 a month. If you don't know what grandfather is, it basically means this. When you guys sign up for $49 a month, do this today. Get your buy limit set up, okay? Once you guys sign up here, whenever we up the price, rather it be $60, $80, $100, $200, $300, it does not matter. You guys, as long as you keep your membership, will not be auto-charged the higher amount. Let's play an example. If next week I up this to $80 or $100, I don't know, whatever, your guys' membership, when it comes to renew, you will not have the updated membership. You will just keep getting the membership at $49 per month forever, as long as you want to hold it. Like, this will increase in value, and you guys can stay trading with us for as long as you want at the discounted rate. This is why a lot of people are picking this up right now, because yes, we are looking to up this. This is going to give you access to all the metrics, but here is where you guys are really going to get the bang for your buck. It is under the live trade section. Every single one of these 100 wins now over here have been called out on this channel over here. Every single one. So here's how you guys do this. I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example. In Bitcoin, you guys are going to, and all of our coins actually, you're going to see three things. Price structure is going to be in white, buy limits in yellow, and then a sell limit in green. Okay, they're going to update every day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, even over the weekend, even over Christmas. They all updated every single day. The entire website updates at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Here's what you guys are going to do, because today is going to say 12:27 when this updates. You're simply going to take the trade amount that you want to trade with. Sorry guys, I'm like tripping over words this morning. You're going to take the amount of money you want to trade with each of our coins. We're going to use a simple example here. We're going to call it $1,000, okay? Take this $1,000 and split it into 4 equal portions. So whatever amount you guys want to trade with, 25% is the easy way to figure that out, okay? 25% goes at this buy limit, 25% at this buy limit, 25%, and 25%. Once your first buy limit is hit, set all these up at the same time, by the way. Once your first buy limit is hit, keep that all the other buy limits where they're at, guys. Do not move the other buy limits. They're going to move on the chart for new people that come every single day to the website who are brand new to the channel, who have new money they want to enter into the market. That's what they're going to be using, okay? You guys want to get in here and you guys want to be using the buy limits. Once your first buy limit is hit, again, once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit shown in green into your exchange for a 100% exit. Very, very simple. That's all you guys are going to do. And then what you guys want to do down here, last step, is get the indicators and join me in the Telegram channel where I'm going to be calling exits with those indicators, okay? Sign up on your phone or your computer first, and then click this Telegram link here, and then that will give you guys access over into Telegram where I'm calling exits with the indicators. Again, the price for swell money flow down here that I'll be watching, and the trend exhaustion that we call exits on. Like, I can show you guys, I'm using this all the time in here to show you guys why we're exiting the trades that we're exiting, okay? Here's the deal on the indicators, guys. You now only have 5 days left. You had about 8 days left previously, but I'm just going to end the sell this Friday because it's going to be this month only. So you guys have till the 31st. You have 5 days left. I promise you guys, I will not have it lower than this again. This is the lowest you guys can pick up our indicators, period. Okay? The next big sale I'm going to be doing like this is probably going to be next year on a major holiday. Probably sometime, I'm guessing somewhere around in May, because my birthday's in May and I might do something special for you guys. So you guys need to get these. You're going to have about 5 months where there's not going to be a single sale on the bundle pack. Get this seriously. Get this today, because I'm going into all of 2022 trading with these indicators. At minimum, you guys need to get the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. If you guys want to copy all of my trades, copy the exits that I'm doing, and copy my YouTube chart so you can follow me, okay? With this, go ahead. You guys can get them individually. They're 58 to 60% off. But if you guys just get the bundle pack for a few more bucks, you guys are going to get all 3 of the indicators I use anyways, and you're going to get 6 indicators on top of these 3, which gives you guys a total of 9 indicators, and I will be using some of the other indicators in 2022 to show you guys how to use those. So as I use those, like the pressure gauge, which I've already showed you guys to use, instead of being like, oh my gosh, that's super awesome, I want that, get the bundle pack, because I'm going to be upping the price of these, so you guys will actually get the best price possible, and you'll actually get appreciating value, because the bundle pack is going to go up in price this next year, as well as the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. When I say everything is going up, I'm serious. Everything on our website is going up this next year. It's too cheap, it's too valuable for what we're offering, and the demand is too high, and we need to pay for more employees. Literally just talked to one of my employees yesterday. I'm like, hey man, we need to hire on another person. We are growing too fast. People are finally realizing that it's possible to trade crypto without ever losing again, and that's why we're blowing up over here. And guys, my own money is on the line. I'm trying to show this to you guys, and going into this next year, I'm going to show you guys how to trade for a living, and I'm literally going to be taking some of this money out of the market to show you guys how I pay for my bills, because I think that's the goal. People want to trade for a living. I'll show you guys how to do this with good risk management. Yes, some trades are in the loss, but look at what we've done by just being patient. It's crazy what patience is going to do for you guys, and we're not losing these trades. They're in drawdown, and it is going to be amazing 2020 year. I know this is. It's going to be so much fun, guys. So guys, get the indicators before those go up in price in 5 days. No brainer. Get those. Use Christmas code. Use coupon code Christmas. Click this right here and then enter Christmas at checkout. Capitalize it, lowercase, does not matter. Get that today. Make sure you guys are getting the bundle pack pricing over here for the indicators as well, the membership here. This is the cheapest you guys will ever get the membership. The membership will never go below $49. You have my word on that. I give that to you, okay? $49 a month. And then make sure you guys are setting up the indicators and getting into the buy limits over here based off any coins that you guys want. And then I'll be able to, show you guys how we're exiting on the YouTube channel and get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits, and people are actually taking profits with us almost on an every other day basis now because the market's going up so fast. All right, guys, God bless you so much. I hope you have an absolutely amazing week and an amazing Monday. We're doing very good over here. Those of you who are in our trades, please watch the Telegram channel as I call some exits on these, because I'm going to be calling them soon, because we need to watch the level of $53,000 for Bitcoin. If it hits that, guys, I'm going to be calling exits for us to get out of this market and take some profits, and then we're just going to get back in on the dip, and we're going to ride this back up and make more wins. Guys, this is so much fun. I'm excited to have you on this journey with me. Thanks, guys, for just, I want to celebrate with you for hitting 100 for 100, and we're closing this year out very strong. And I will see you guys in the next video. Get the indicators before they go up in price. Get the membership before they go up in price as well. And make sure you guys are getting in the Telegram channel and setting up your buy limits. And let's go into 2022 and try to hit 200 for 200 wins on this channel. God bless you guys. Everything you need is in the description. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.